In this video, I am going to take 6 example use cases which fits to every industry and try to show you how AI is transforming each and every industry. Let me try to show you the use cases relevant to your industry. First of all, let's talk about presentations. No matter which background, which sector you work in, you might need some PowerPoint presentations, and it takes a lot of time to create those. I want to show you a website called Gamma. Okay, if you go to Gamma, what you can do is you can create your PowerPoint presentations in seconds. For example, here I will give a prompt: create a 5-slide PPT on the impact of renewable energy on healthcare. Okay, so obviously you can change based on whatever you want to create, but it will I just want to show you how easily and simply it creates it. And number of cards you can say however how many ever slides you want. I'm saying 5. So it will ask you few more things, if you want some style, some design, etc., and then it will start creating. So as you can see, this is the outline it is giving you. So it will create based on this. You can simply say generate and it will start putting the presentation. You can say that put more of the text, or put more of the bullet points, or put more of the icons or images, whatever you want. It will start putting your presentation like this. You can simply export it and use it. So 1 minute is enough, guys, or 1 to 2 minutes is enough for PowerPoint presentations if you use a tool like Gamma. So this is very useful. I use it for many purposes. I use it for preparing my materials for my trainings and many other things. And once this is done, right, if you want any changes, what you can do is you can talk to AI here. So for example, edit with AI, you give your instruction and it will edit. If you want to edit something at a PPT level, what you can do is you can talk to agent and do it. So agent will do at PPT level also. If you want to change themes, etc., you can choose it from the settings, and there are many things you can check here. Once this is done, you can simply export the PPT like this, either PDF or PowerPoint, and use it. So it is, if you see here, right, it is putting images, it is putting all the information, text, everything. So very easy, very simple to do. Now, no matter which sector you are working in, you might be needing some design. So I want to take you to Canva AI. What is Canva AI? Canva is a tool for creating visuals typically, but now with the Canva AI, you can create lot of tools, lot of designs, lot of other things, many things you can create using Canva. So let me try to show you what all things you can create. You can choose design for me. You can choose social media. You can choose what format you want. For example, anything of this I can take. So let me take Instagram post, and I will simply say create an Instagram post, design to announce employee of the month. So this is again relevant to you no matter which sector you are in. You might want to create some nice designs to keep your employees motivated, and Canva kind of tool can give you like in minutes. So it will just, if you can see, it is preparing the design, and you can take it and you can edit it also. For example, you can simply take it and you can say that edit with traditional Canva, not AI, but suppose if you want to change something in the font, change something in the images, colors, anything, you can simply say use Canva editor. It will go to the Canva editor. In this editor, you can change it, whatever you want to change, font, colors, background, images. But the main thing is here, the heavy lifting is done here. So you just need to do little tweaking now. This is very useful for you no matter which industry you are working in, and you can check Canva AI and you can create many things in this in terms of design. If you are someone with no coding experience or no technical expertise, but you want to learn AI, I bring to you a brand new AI course on Udemy called AI for Non-Technical Professionals, Zero Coding. In this course, I teach you AI step by step, right from what AI is,
how you can use AI in your work and how you can grow in your career using AI. This course will fit to you if you have no coding background but still want AI to push your career. I have a special discount coupon for you right in the description. Go ahead, click on this coupon link and check about the course. You will learn a lot about AI in this course and you will have a AI powered resume by end of the course. Please go ahead and check out the course in Udemy.
I want to show you next thing as in Gemini or ChatGPT, you can do various things, but few things which are applicable for everybody. So all of us work in some or other industry, all of us have some or other customer. So suppose there is a mistake from our side and we want to write a apology email or information to customer, right? Write a professional email to client, okay, explaining 1 week delay in delivery, but keep the tone. We can change the tone and we can change the behavior of model, of course, polite and empathetic, okay, or reassuring, we will say reassuring. So what will happen is it will give us a very nice email which we can simply little bit tweaking we can do and we can use it. If we want to change anything, we can just give it in the prompt and we can change it. Another important thing I want to show you here is you can do research as well, and this I like a lot. For example, if you go to deep research, right, so it is asking me if I want to go to a new chat, so I can go to a new chat and here I can do some research. For example, research about top 5 AI use cases in real estate management. Suppose I want to build something for real estate and I want to sell it, or I want to plan what will work, what will not work. So these tools will do research on your behalf. It will take some time and give you a complete report. So first it is giving you a plan. For example, identify the major categories of AI and ML application, a specifically focused research on industry report detail. So it is telling you what all steps it will perform, and if you say start research, it will start researching on your behalf. What you can do in the end, you can see the report and you can take your call. You can give your prompt for country specific research, or you can give your prompt for sector specific, use case specific, whatever you want to give. So research, again, one area which, whether you are a student or working professional or anyone, this is very helpful for you. Then I want to show you one very interesting application known as Notion AI. Notion is a very useful, you can say something similar to Microsoft Office, where you can put meeting notes, you can put MOMs, you can put many other things, okay. The good thing about Notion is, in Notion, now Notion AI has come, and Notion AI connects to, for example, here you can see Slack, Gmail, Drive, Teams, Outlook, Skype, GitHub. So it is connecting to everything, and then you can ask questions here. So it's very useful, guys. In my latest course on AI, for where I have explained AI with zero coding, I have shown lot of use cases using Notion. For example, one of the use cases, Notion taking meeting notes. Another one is Notion generating feedback and actions, basically with the help of AI, but feedback and actions come to Notion and someone can read it directly. So there are many things you can do in Notion. Just go ahead and you can do some playing around with Notion AI. So what's new in Notion AI? You can see here, Notion AI is a new offering of Notion in this mode to do with office related stuff. So for example, new databases for tasks, projects or habits. For example, page editing, polishing. Ask me a question and I'll dig through Notion, Slack, Google Drive mode to bring you the answer. You can do data analysis, you can do web research, many things you can do inside Notion. So just try to explore Notion as well as a one place for integrating various things and then applying AI on top of that. And one more last thing I want to show you, that is something to do with the audio. So I shot a video outside. Listen to this video once.
Engineering, and you are going to get a globally recognized certification from an Australia based company, Super Data Science. I am going to tell you how this program will work, what it is, and why it's a go and grab opportunity for you. Seats are limited, price is.
So if you hear this carefully, you will see the sound of bus in the background, and some leaves are making sound, some air. That was a airy day also, so some air as well. So no matter which industry you are in, you might be working with some multimedia, and you might be wanting to clean the audio. So what you can do is you can go to a website called Auphonic. Okay, Auphonic, Auphonic. In this website, what you can do is you can upload your audio, and it will simply clean it. And some hours are free that you can use, but of course if you want more, then you can add more. But here you can play around with audio, and I have cleaned my audio, same audio with Auphonic.
Excitements are in the air, guys. And at to get a globally recognized certification from an Australia based
So this audio is better. This audio, there is no sound of background buses or leaves or air, and I'm feeling the difference when I cleaned it using
company Super
Auphonic.
Data Science. I'm going to tell you how this program will work, what it is, and why it's a go and grab opportunity.
So no matter which background you are in, guys, you have to go and learn AI. And the best way to learn that is my new course, where I teach AI for non-technical professionals in zero coding. Link is right there in the description. Go ahead, check that course, and I'll see you inside the course.